I was clocked driving 52 in a 35-mile-per-hour zone on Remount Road. That's more than 15 miles over the speed limit. Remember that number. Days after I got my speeding ticket, I went to my mailbox and started receiving letters after letters after letters after letters. They were all from lawyers claiming they can help me out with my speeding ticket. Lawyer Christopher Walker sent me this letter and a coupon. He agreed to consult me.
Have a seat.
I told him I was just going to pay the $150 ticket, meaning I was guilty of doing more than 15 miles over the speed limit.
You would unknowingly be suspending your license.
The law states a license will be suspended for at least 30 days if a speeder is caught going 15 miles over the speed limit while at the same time going more than 55 miles per hour. Since I was driving under 55, I quickly calmed down.
When you go into court and you try to talk to a district attorney by yourself, you're already at a disadvantage. One, the district attorney knows the law. Two, you don't.
I then asked how did he get my information. He says it is public record. Walker hires a company to go to the courthouse to find potential clients. He sent these mailings out last week. The lawyer says he gets about 25% of his business from these mailings. Since a ticket is public information, what can you do when mailings after mailings after mailings pile up in your mailbox? Lawyers say simply take their letters and throw them in the trash. Walker's fee is about $150, and that does not include my court cost.
It is better in your situation to have a lawyer to work out some type of maybe a plea arrangement.
This lawyer says he can keep points down on your license and the cost of your insurance. My court case is next week, so I decided to use Walker. I'll keep you posted on what happens. In Charlotte, Dedrick Russell, WBTV News 3.